Well, the dog is for tuning my channel again. Finally, after many years of hunting, I found this Crown Koss remote control from this beloved DVD player of mine, which was amazing for many years, and I really it hurt me a lot that I can't just control from the back from the bed when all the juices and everything flowing, watching these movies and everything. The only thing is this like a little burn, on the back. This is the only thing. But they said that it's kind of, but it shouldn't affect the remote itself. So just let's pop in some batteries and give it a quick crack. What's that? What's that? arterico.com, cat, gadget art, UIC. What is this? Signature? What is this? Let me just let me check. What is this? arterico.com. What is this? Right, okay. What? What is this, man? This is the remote which I just purchased on eBay. What is this? Category? Cat, gadget? And gadget? And then UIC, alright, okay. Right, so oops. ADR OFS 23 GA1. Submit. What? 300 pounds? What is it? The story behind the artwork. Rico Montefon. Oh wow. I think that belonged to a, I think this belonged to an artist. And he just put in a little message. Oh wow. Okay. Now that's a surprise. Now this is not a bit of burning. This is not a bit of burning. This is an artwork with that code, which I now own. This is incredible. I bought it for $4.99. I bought it for $4.99. So I suppose whoever sold it did not quite open the thing, the battery lid, and that's weird because they said they tested it. So how the hell could they have tested it and didn't see that? Oh wow! Look at that. Maria. Okay, well that's a pleasant surprise. So I've got here 300-pound remote control.